Welcome little friends, how are you? Are you ready to learn?
Yay!
Today we are learning to read simple sentences. Let's start. This is a girl. Repeat after me. This is a girl. Your turn. Good job, little friend. Let's read together. This is a girl. Her name is Lily. Repeat after me. Her name is Lily. Your turn. Well done, little friend. Let's read together. Her name is Lily. Now let's read the next sentence. She has long hair. Repeat after me. She has long hair. Your turn. Good job, little friend. Let's read together. She has long hair. Now, let's read the next sentence. Lily likes to read. Repeat after me. Lily likes to read. Your turn. Well done, little friend. Let's read together. Lily likes to read. Now, let's read all the sentences together. This is a girl. Her name is Lily. She has long hair. Lily likes to read. Good job, little friend. Well done.
Yay!
Thanks for learning and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.